describing velocity, or you are defining velocity. And then distance traveled per unit time. Distance is a scalar. That one will give you speed. And then average speed, total distance divided by total time. Total distance divided by total time. Now, point 123 is about definition and recalling formulas. About definition and recalling formulas. Then after that, we will start with the interpretation of distance time graph and then speed time graph. So if this is my triangle, speed is equal to distance divided by time. Since the distance is at the top, distance will come here, which is s, speed will come here, and then time will come here. So if I want to calculate for any of them, I will cover that one. So let's say I'm calculating for speed, I will cover the v, which represents the speed. This is distance. And the t is time. So if I want to calculate for speed, I will cover the v. It will be left with distance and time. Distance is on top of time, so I will divide the distance by the time to get the speed. If I want to calculate for time, I'll cover the t. It will be left with s and v, s representing distance, v representing speed. And since the distance is on top of the speed, time is equal to distance divided by speed. If I want to calculate for distance, I will cover the s. The s here, which is the distance, if I cover it, it will be left with speed and time. And since none of them is on top of the other, I'll multiply the two. So distance is equal to speed times time. So here is multiplication, here is division, here is division. All right, now let's continue. That is for speed, distance, velocity, and the likes. We are done with that one. We are moving on to acceleration. It is all about calculation. Then, now for acceleration, we are talking about change in velocity divided by time. That's supposed to be the formula in your head when we are talking about acceleration. Change in velocity divided by time. That is the formula. But when you are asked to define acceleration, it is the rate at which velocity increases, or the rate of change in velocity. Define velocity, the rate of change in velocity, acceleration, the rate of change in velocity. I don't normally prefer that one because in the application of acceleration, when we hear the word accelerate, it shows that the object is moving faster, which in essence